In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an agile marketing workflow in Trello. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or you just want a cleaner, more reliable system, I'll walk you through the exact process I use to plan, track, and deliver marketing work with confidence. Before clicking anything in Trello, start by defining your marketing process from start to finish. Think of your work moving left to right across 4 simple stages. To do is your backlog or queue of upcoming items like social posts, blog drafts, or newsletters. In progress holds the tasks actively being worked on right now, so your team knows what's underway at a glance. Review is where drafts wait for approval from managers, clients, or other stakeholders. And done is your place for anything published or finalized. Keeping these stages clear prevents confusion, makes handoffs smooth, and helps you spot bottlenecks early. Now, let's build the board. Log into Trello and create a workspace for your team. Click the plus icon at the top right and choose Create Board. Give your board a clear, purpose-driven name, something like Content Calendar or Product Launch, so everyone understands what lives here. Next, add your lists in the same order as your process. To do, in progress, review, and done. Left to right matters because it visually mirrors how work moves. If your team is new to Trello, keep list names simple and avoid extras for now. You can always refine later once the basics feel solid. With the structure in place, it's time to build your marketing cards. Click. Add a card in the to-do list to represent a single task. Make your card titles specific and actionable. Write Q3 newsletter. Draft is much clearer than just newsletter. In the description, include helpful context like links to brand guidelines, briefs, or shared documents so no one has to chase information. For larger items, use a checklist to map the steps: outline, draft, image selection, formatting, and publishing, so progress is visible and repeatable. Add a due date to trigger reminders and switch to Trello's calendar view when you want to see what's coming up at a glance. Assign the right teammates to each card to eliminate ambiguity, and use color-coded labels to categorize by content type or priority, such as blog, video, or social. This combination of clear titles, context, checklists, deadlines, assignees, and labels turns each card into a mini brief that guides the work from to do through done. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.